Nagpapam ka ba?
Oo.
Aalis ka tapos nagpapam ka.
I'm late. I didn't notice the time. Oh my God.
Sabi, yung nanay mo baka mamaya iba na mukha. Sabi niya kasi magpapagupit daw
Pagupit
siya.
lang, hindi parang bunga-bunga or something bago.
Sabi mo, nag-ano na siya, dito nag-schedule na siya ng pagupit. Okay ka lang ba dyan? Ha?
Okay.
Huwag mo nga, ayusin ko nga siya. Tayong dalawa lang ngayon, iiwan tayo ng mama mo. Di raw tayo sama, malapit lang naman yun, kaya huwag kang mag-alala.
Yes, sasantolan lang.
May iwan lang kaming dalawa ngayon ni Sobi. Okay ba yun? Peace bomb. Peace bomb. Ano? Okay. Sasabihin niya sa akin. Kasi tagal ko nang tinatanong kung paano to. Ayaw niya ituro sa akin.
No, I told you so many times. Karoche, you put this in cold water. Just
Cold water or warm water?
Any water. Don't need to put hot water. No. Just there under the sink, like that.
O, ilagay mo na.
Like that.
O, sige, ilagay mo na nga eh. Okay.
So, and you wait. But don't forget to put back in the ref.
Ba't ko, gagamitin ko nga, ba't ko ibabalik sa ref?
You put it in the bottle, here.
Okay.
4 ounces.
Okay, 4 ounces.
4 ounces, no time, honey, 4 ounces. Put it back in the ref, and then when it's time to eat, you reheat it.
O, sige.
Okay?
Anong oras schedule niya?
I will chat you, it's old schedule.
Old ba yan? Okay, sige. Sige, umalis ka na.
Okay, so.
Ba't kasi nakalimutan mo?
Pabug kami ako, grab.
Huwag kaya natin i-book mo para mataranta siya.
No, I need to book the grab!
Diba? Yan ang may kasalanan mo.
Just my hair is so long already that it's not comfortable. And I just want to cut maybe like a little bit like that. And because it's still from rebonded part is straight, and when it's colored here it's straight, it's so weird. So just like that, maybe I will cut. Because my hair is already falling and it's hard. Well, I'm about to Alice like that with my pump, with my big boobs.
O, meron na. This is the first time that you will with Sobi.
Pagupit lang. Mabilis lang.
Iiwan ka na nanay mo. Ha? Alam mo ba kung ano?
Kung ano?
Ito, picturean mo so you would know.
Just screenshot it.
Okay, red to. Baka sa ibang sasakyan ka sumakay ha.
Red, what's the number of the car?
Yan o, N11. So, sigurado maganda ka. Mag-e-expect kami ha?
No, it's just a little...
mag-e-expect kami dalawa ni Sobi.
Kalbo, babalik ko ng kalbo. Hello? Yes.
Ano, Sobi? Tayong dalawa na. Saan na ba mama mo? Ayan, nakikita mo itong sasakyan na to. Ayan na siya, malapit na siya. So, malapit na siya mga pre. Nakikita namin si Bika, natatrack namin si Bika dito. Nag-chat mama mo. Ang sabi niya, dami namang gusto nito. Kakaalis pa lang, dami nang gustong ipagawa. Honey, milk in toilet, don't forget. Anong milk in toilet? Ba't may gata sa toilet? You can put in ref. Milk. Yung milk na nilagay niya sa CR. Oo nga pala. So sabi niya, milk in toilet. Kala ko kung anong milk in toilet. Nakalimutan nga pala. Ito. Yung gatas niya.
It's so weird. I don't even know how to get there pala. Ayan, elevator. I don't know what's the second floor. Actually, I'm so nervous to be alone outside. It's been 3 months. I don't know. Alone. Let's just wait muna. I'm a bit early mga pre. They said it's around 12. It's already 11:30. No, anyway, let's wait. So that's how it works. You can always be late pala. I didn't know. I just need to wait my hairdresser and then we can start. This honey shampoo, Japanese.
Siguro sa shampoo.
Maybe, because I'm using only Japanese shampoo now.
Kailan ka nag-start ng Japanese shampoo?
Maybe already like 6 months.
So, diyan ka lang. Wait lang. Ilalagay ko lang yung mga gatas, mo para dededehin mo mamaya. Ha? Okay? Ayan, gusto mo yun, di ba? Gusto mo yung napapalibutan kami itong mga to? Wait lang, Sobi. So ito mga pre, nilagay ko lang yung gatas ni Bika na tunaw ko na. And babalik na lang natin sa rep to. Tapos pag kailangan na ni Sobi, iinumin niya na lang. I-ano ko na lang. I-reheat ko na lang. ingay mo ngayon. Gusto mo na matulog? Gusto mo na matulog?
Meanwhile.
Very nice, thank you. Wow, I like it. No, I like it. It's so fresh. Finally, nawala this long, this. Just sana it will not get curly because it's humid. It will become like this, but I like it. It looks so fresh. Sana Eugene will like it also. So now I want to go fast, very super fast to bookstore because seems Sobi is already fine. So let's go. Very. Oh, wait, I don't know how to go home. I didn't hold myself, mga pre. I bought already something in market. So very fast in bookstore. I just want to check something super fast. Tignan yung mga pre, I bought a book. But I wanted to buy for Sobi, but I didn't find. I don't know, it's so hard to find a nice book, so I bought for myself. Anyway, and fast Starbucks and then we can go home. Just call Eugene to pick me up. Let's just buy something in Starbucks because I miss going there. So I took this opportunity to go everywhere now. Hello. This coffee latte.
Ice or hot?
Hot. Can it be decaffeinated?
Sure.
Yeah. One banana bread. Chicken spam sandwich.
Meanwhile.
Sigarilyas at mani. Sitaw, batang, katanipot, kalabasa. At saka meron pa labanos, mustasa.
Honey, should I book faster because I'm gonna die from hotness? What mga pre, also for Eugene tinapay, so don't think that I'm a damn like you thought in the last vlog. I also take care of myself. So nice to lumabas, but I want to come back because of Sovi. Hot weather, hot coffee, nice combo. It is so unusual to be alone without Sovi, without Eugene sa labas. I don't know, it's like I'm wild. I came out from the wildness. So unusual. So it feels weird to be alone sa labas. Ayan, we are home. Check. No, I think it's fine. I think it's pretty. I don't look like matanda, diba? Okay, let's go home. It's you don't like it, diba? It's short.
No, you look pretty.
So wait.
God. Oh, is that my wife?
No, it should be a bit actually longer, but it's okay. But now I can grow it long.
Younger.
Really?
Yeah?
Not older?
No.
But now I can make it like long because nawala this dead end.
Why, you don't like it that it's this short?
No, I like it. I just thought maybe you will get surprised that it's too short.
No, I'm fine with it as long as you like it. As
Yeah,
long as
I like
you feel confident.
I know, it feels so fresh. Like, oh my god, like a few kilograms nawala. And this woman who got me, this Mamelina, she said it's so malambot my hair and so makapal become. And it's because of this Japanese shampoo. Yeah.
Kasi mga pre, may ginagamit si Bikang
Honey shampoo.
honey shampoo. Pakita namin
And
sa inyo.
I didn't know it's that good.
Binebenta rin namin yan. Itong honey shampoo na to. Ayan, Japanese honey shampoo. So, binebenta namin yan. So, sabi niya, bibili rin siya yung stylist mo.
Yeah. She said that it's really maganda Japanese shampoo.
Magkano to sa atin? 1,500, no? 1,500 lang.
Nasa 2,000 or 1,500, I forgot.
Oo, ito, dalawa na yan. Isang may tol dito. Shampoo sa conditioner na. Lahat yan, puro Japan yung gamit namin. Ito rin, meron din si Bika nito. Moisturizing din. Tapos ito rin. So, puro Japan. No? Gamit din yung cow soap. Binibenta namin lahat. Lahat ng benta namin, gamit din namin lahat. Ayan, oh.
Oo, maganda to pala. So
Yan.
nice.
Adalabo, pati ito. Benta namin lahat yan. Lahat ng binibenta namin, gamit lang din namin. You need to wake up, Sobi na?
Did you feed her? Honey, it's...
That's why I'm waiting. I thought like I'm asking you, should I wake her up na? Why? Bawal ba siyang matulog ng mahaba?
No, pwede, but she wants...
Okay. Iiyak naman siya pag gutom siya, hayaan mo.
No, honey, she needs to eat! Oh my god,
Yeah.
let me wash my hands. Baby, мамочка тут. Вставай, моя сладкая мама, тут идем кусать. Your father didn't feed you. I thought he will feed you. Oh, he didn't feed you. Ooh,
Stretching.
what a stretch. Do you miss mommy? Did she cry?
No.
No? Okay.
Look at bagong gising mo.
Change diaper.
Sabi! Sabi!
I will change diaper lang.
Sabi, gusto mo na kumain? Sigurado gutom ka na. Di ba?
Did you reheat lunch?
Not yet.
Run.
Oh my god, I will. Oh, look at this. Is that all rice? Why? Natutunog na our pagkain. Nice. You put green onions. Parang na. Oh my god, natunog.
Ginagawa ko yung chinik mo.
Ah, naman, masarap. Crunchy. Honey.
What?
Here. Here.
What here?
Here, get. Buy me fish balls.
200 fish ball?
Yeah, fish balls. No, how much it costs, I don't know. Masarap kasi dun. Maybe it's social.
Are you okay? 200 pesos fish ball!
How much they cost, I don't know.
And a fish ball cost 50 cents only.
What if you buy 100, how many pieces?
Ha? Edi times 2 mo. 200 pieces.
200? I don't need that much.
400 pieces fish balls.
Okay, then only...
Bibili na lang ako, may kasama squid balls.
Huh?
I will add squid balls kikiam. You want?
What's different is...
Should I put it on a cup or you want it in plastic ko na lang kasi napakarami?
No, I'm joking. Only one. I don't know how much it costs. No discount.
Fish ball, squid ball, kikiam, what do you want? Okay.
2 pieces of each. Go buy me fish balls. Go buy me fish balls.
I will.
No. But honey, not bowl. 2 pieces each only. Because last time when we live selling, you brought me in a cup fish balls and they were so young. I
But
think
it's not the
s-
same. It's not the same. I will bring you different one.
Why? Where did you put the other ones?
It's far.
Where? Antoine?
It's somewhere there.
Where?
Basta iba
Honey,
yung
where are you walking? Where? There.
Basta iba yung dadaanan ko ngayon. Iba yung dinaanan ko dati. Just I will bring you fish balls. That's all. Iisa lang naman lasa ng mga fish ball eh.
Sauce lang iba. Pero honey, not the bowl.
Tignan natin ngayon kung nandito yung fishbowlan. Pag wala, malas ni Bika. Ay, wala. Malas ni Bika. Walang fishbowl dito. Sa iba tayo punta. So wala mga pre, wala yung fishbowlan doon. Ayoko namang umuwi na walang dala. So meron pa ako isang alam na fishbowlan dito. Medyo malayo nga lang. Pero pupuntahan na natin. Malapit na tayo mga pre. Sana nandito yung nagpi-fishball na isa. So nandito, bibili tayo. Bossing, pabili ang fishball. Pwede bang 200 pieces?
Pwede, boss.
Sige, 200 pieces na fishball. Ay, magkano ba fishball nyo?
Piso lang isa, sir.
Piso isa, 100 piraso na lang. May nakita tayo dito. Kwek-kwek. Padala natin ng kwek-kwek. Baka gusto niyang kwek-kwek. Magkano kwek-kwek, bossing? 5 isa, kuya. 5 isa? Opo. Sige, 10. Pa-plastic na lang din yan. Meron din daw pala siyang page. Ayan, shout out. Ayan yung page niya. Ayan yung page niya. Shout out, boss. Nins Vlog. Thank you.
1 minute.
1 minute, sige. Mukhang matagal yun ah. Ito na ba yun? Ang dami na to ah. Buti di ka nawawala sa bilang na kuya.
Driver mo lang ako.
Hindi ka na namamansin kuya, baka mawala sa bilang ah. Parang dami niya na boss. Nakakonting suka lang din.
Shout out sa mama ko.
Shoutout, sige shoutout mo na mama mo.
Mama ko tiga Tanay Rizal. Pilipina
Pangalan.
Beneventura.
Thank you.
sir.
Sige, okay na
Okay,
boss.
thank you, sir.
Salamat ah.
Thank you, sir.
So yun mga pre, dala na natin yung maraming fishball ni Bika. Dami. Alam niyo mga pre kung bakit ako bumili ng maraming fishball. Dinamihan ko na 100 piraso. Kung tutuusin nga 200 eh. Lang medyo kala ko 50 centavos lang yung fishball ngayon. Siguro wala na 50 centavos. Ay, yun nga, kaya marami akong binili. Kasi gusto ko magsawa kagad si Bika. Para pag nagsawa siya, hindi niya na ako pabibilhin sa malayo. Fishball natin. Oh, gising si Sobi. Sobi, wala ka ng sukli.
Honey, are you kidding me?
Bakit?
Honey, we can.
Ganyan kita kamahal. Diba? Nakita mo, sobra-sobra. Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin pa, honey, nagugutom ako, honey, baka kulang.
Oh my god. I wanted sa baso kasi masarap.
Ah, yeah, that's why. Sige, babalik ako. Kuha ako sa baso. Okay? Teka lang.
Wala kang puso?
Yung chopstick natin. Teka, balik. Sige. Punta ako doon.
Hindi, open lang.
Hindi, sige, mabilis na. Yun nga sa nakalimutan ko eh. So, balikan lang natin mga pre. Kasi nakalimutan ko nga pala. Yung pantusok sa yung tawag dito. Yung lalagyan. Buti di pa nakakaalis si kuya. Boss, may nakakalimutan ako. Pwedeng makahingi ng baso?
Oo, pwede boss.
Gusto kasi ng asawa ko nakabaso daw pag kumakain eh. Saka ano rin, stick. Nasaan yung stick nyo? Ito. Dalawang baso. Yan. Thank you thank you. Ito na.
Where have you went? Like it's so far.
I want to make you happy, make you smile.
Yeah, but what am I gonna overdose of this?
You don't want this?
One, siyempre.
Diba ganyan kita ang mahal, biruin mo. Ang layo ng binilang ko, binalikan ko pa, sinusubuan pa kita.
Naf sauce.
Sorry po.
Hindi ko sila nagtadyan na sa sauce.
Dandulunurin kita sa sauce.